Hello. Today, we are talking about knowledge. Knowledge is one of the most important things in life. It helps us understand the world, solve problems, and make good decisions. The more we learn, the more we grow and improve ourselves. We gain knowledge in many ways. Education is one way. Schools and books teach us important lessons about science, history, and language. But knowledge is not just in schools. We also learn from experiences, people, and everyday life. Knowledge helps us succeed. In school, it helps us pass exams. At work, it helps us do our job well. In life, it helps us make smart choices and avoid mistakes. When we have knowledge, we feel more confident and prepared for the future. Sharing knowledge is also important. When we teach others, we help them learn and grow. Knowledge should not be kept to ourselves. It should be shared to make the world a better place. Learning never ends. There is always something new to discover. By gaining knowledge, we can improve our lives and help others. Knowledge is power, and it is the key to success and happiness. Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Hello, today we are talking about happiness. Happiness is something everyone wants in life. It is the feeling of joy, peace, and satisfaction. Happiness does not always come from money or success. It comes from the simple moments in life and the people we love. Different things make different people happy. Some people feel happy when they spend time with family and friends. Others find happiness in their hobbies, like music, art, or sports. Helping others and showing kindness can also bring deep happiness. Happiness is not about having a perfect life. Everyone faces problems, but a positive attitude helps us stay happy even in difficult times. Being grateful for what we have and focusing on the good things in life can make us feel happier every day. Taking care of ourselves is also important for happiness. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest help us feel good. A healthy mind and body make it easier to enjoy life. In the end, happiness is a choice. It comes from within us, not from outside things. When we appreciate the little moments, stay positive, and share kindness, we can find true happiness in life. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Hello, today we are talking about love. Love is one of the most important feelings in life. It brings people together, creates happiness, and makes the world a better place. Love can be found in families, friendships, and relationships, and it helps us feel safe and valued. Love is not just about words, it is about actions. When we care for someone, we show love by being kind, patient, and supportive. A simple smile, a kind word, or helping someone in need can show love. Love also teaches us important lessons. It helps us understand others, forgive mistakes, and be more patient. Love is not always easy, but true love stays strong even during difficult times. There are different kinds of love. Love for family gives us support and comfort. Love for friends brings joy and fun. Love for ourselves helps us stay confident and happy. All types of love are important and make life more meaningful. In the end, love is what makes life special. It connects us with others and brings happiness. When we give love, we also receive love. The more love we share, the brighter the world becomes. Thank you for listening. See you next time.